Have you ever wondered how some startups go from just an idea to becoming a billion-dollar company? What made them succeed while so many others failed? In today's video, we will break down the journey of 5 of the most successful Indian startups, how they started from zero, the key strategies that help them scale, and most importantly, what you as an entrepreneur can learn from them to build your own successful startup. And hey, if you're new here, I'm Navdeep, a 19-year-old working on my own startup in the AI space. I create videos to help aspiring entrepreneurs like you to learn and grow. Now, let's dive right in. Number 1, Flipkart. Our first success story is Flipkart, the company that changed e-commerce in India forever. Founded in 2007 by Sachin Bansal and Vinny Bansal, two former Amazon employees, Flipkart started as an online bookstore. With limited funding and no logistic networks, they personally delivered books in the early days. But here's the game changer. Flipkart introduced cash on delivery, a bold move that won Indian customers' trust. This single decision skyrocketed their sales. Fast forward to 2018, Flipkart was acquired by Walmart for a massive $16 billion, making it one of India's biggest startup success stories. The key takeaway is understanding your market and solving local problems is the key to scaling. Number 2, Paytm, the digital payment giant. Next up is Paytm, the company that made digital payments mainstream in India. Founded in 2010 by Vijay Sekhar Sharma, Paytm started as a mobile research platform. But the real breakthrough came in 2016 when India's demonetization pushed millions towards digital transactions. Paytm did not just ride the wave, they were ready for it. They rapidly expanded their wallet services, introduced UPI, and partnered with local businesses. Today, Paytm is a publicly listed company worth billions. The key takeaway is be prepared for big changes and move fast when opportunity strikes. Number 3, Ola. Imagine being stuck in an unfamiliar city with no cabs in sight. That's exactly what happened with Bhavesh Agrawal, leading him to create Ola in 2010. Ola started with just a few cars, but what set them apart was localization, accepting cash payments, offering affordable auto rickshaw rides, and introducing Ola bikes for last mile connectivity. Today, Ola operates in multiple countries and is even working on electric vehicles. Key takeaway is solve a real problem, adapt to local needs, and keep innovating. Number 4, Zomato. Next we have Zomato, India's biggest food delivery and restaurant discovery platform. Founded in 2008 by Dipender Goyal and Pankaj Sadha, Zomato started as a simple website for scanning restaurant menus. The turning point was when they expanded globally and launched food delivery, competing directly with Swiggy. What worked for Zomato was aggressive expansion, acquiring competitors, and data-driven decision. Now, it is a billion-dollar company listed on the Indian stock market. The key takeaway is start simple but always think about the bigger picture. Number 5, Zerodha, disrupting the stock market. Last but not least, Zerodha, the company that completely changed the way Indians trade in the stock market. Founded in 2010 by Nitin Kamath and Nikhil Kamath, Zerodha started with a simple idea: make trading affordable for everyone. At a time when traditional brokers charge high commission, Zerodha introduced zero brokerage trading, making stock market investing accessible to millions. The key strategies were building a robust tech platform, charging low prices, and focusing on educating retail investors. Today, Zerodha is India's largest stock brokerage firm, handling millions of trades daily. The key takeaway is find inefficiencies in the market and disrupt them with better technology and pricing. So, what you can take away from these success stories? Number 1, understand your market. Flipkart knew Indian customers needed cash on delivery. Number 2, be ready for big changes. Paytm scaled fast during demonetization. Number 3, solve real problems. Ola focused on local transportation challenges. Number 4, think global from day 1. Number 5, leverage technology to disrupt industries. Zerodha made trading accessible with low fees and tech-first approach. Starting a business is not easy, but if these founders could do it, so can we. If you found this video useful, make sure to check out my other videos on startup and business growth. I will link some of them on the screen right now. And don't forget to subscribe so that you don't miss the future videos on entrepreneurship. This is me, Navadev, signing off. See you in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.